right in front of the door. That would be good. Yeah. Oh. Hello.
Got stuff all on the first floor if you want to look around. If there's anything interesting that you can do that. Alright.
Okay, thank you. That's, my sons used to like Star Wars. So.
I never counted them.
Okay, I'll count them. 2,
I might
4,
come over.
6.
What time you get done with the sale?
Well, give me. How about? Can you do tomorrow? Or not?
I'm coming up here tonight about 6. Would that be too early?
6 o'clock should be good. It's still light.
Right. Could we do 5:45?
5:45.
That'll work.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. So let's just. I'll leave this because I'll save this when you come, and then this will add to your.
Okay. Yeah, that'll work. Thank you.
Okay. Yeah. And you might want to give me your name. Are you doing your eBay thing?
Yeah, I am actually.
That's all right. Everybody does, you know.
I think we'll probably end up doing it. $50, give me the controllers.
Yeah, you get everything that they do with the Wii. Right?
Okay, well, I think we're gonna do it.
Do you want the exercise thing too?
Oh.
You don't need you know, the Wi-Fit?
Oh, no.
If people used to. Okay, so you're doing the so I can't guarantee what's in there? You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Yeah. But everything, I think.
It works.
Yeah. Well, I hope so.
I would imagine.
Yeah, I mean.
You won't see me.
I'm gonna have to leave that up to you to see that, you know, all the connections. Yeah. Well, I don't know if
You
they
okay
have
getting
power
down
or
here?
not.
No,
That's the
okay.
power cord. Oh, is that?
Yeah.
Okay, plug it in. Give it a shot. Here is a.
I think that's what plugs in.
Yep, and then it should.
Well, go plug it in. You want to try it? Yeah, go in the kitchen. There's more plugs in there.
This goes to.
Yeah, the whole box.
Yep. Yeah, we get everything to the game.
I don't know, I'm just trying to see where it plugs in right there.
Yeah.
Alright, let's try it.
Yeah, that's where this plugs in. And here's a plug right there. So.
Oh.
It definitely lights up.
Well, that's a start, eh?
That's a start. Oh, I'm sorry.
No problem.
I'm in the way.
No.
Cool.
I think we're
You
good.
think that's good, Pete?
Yeah, we're gonna have to run out and get some cash for it,
Okay.
and we'll come back and
That
grab
would
it.
help, you know.
Gotta have something to pay for it with. My looks don't get me that far.
Yeah.
Cool.
So just hang around her if you need, fine.
Oh, yeah. She's got me covered.
Yeah, there you go.
She's a good girl.
Yeah, she is. All right. There you go. So they're buying the Wii, the old Wii. So I did the best I could in sorting that. I had some help.
Hi folks, TreasureWeaz here. In the video, you saw me looking through a box of records, and the gentleman that was having the sale said, hey, if you're interested in records, you can come back later. We agreed upon a time. I ended up buying 78 records from the gentleman. He said he really wanted to get rid of them, so I paid 50 cents a piece for these records. I'll show you what I got. We got Yes. It's Jeff Beck. Police. This is Cream, Heavy Cream. Pat Benatar. Got a Ted Nugent. Another Ted Nugent. Some of them have the name of the gentleman got the records because he had a records station, and when they converted to CDs, he just hung on to all the records. Buffalo Springfield, Hall & Oates, Chuck Berry. I didn't look up any of the values for him. This one I didn't. It's hard to read, but it's a Jackson 5 record. Pretty cool graphics. The Kinks, another Kinks. That was Beach Boys. Sting, Golden Earring, and Sweet. Got America. That one's The Who. Fleetwood Mac. The Kinks. Jay Giles. I just bought one of them not too long ago. Elton John. John Cougar. The Romantics. Another Jeff Beck. Another Sting. REO Speedwagon. The Vapors. That one's Prince. And War. This one's Adamant. Another Adamant. ZZ Top Eliminator. Billy Squire. The Rascals. Never heard of them, but cool cover. This one's Berlin. This one's brand new. Kim Carnes. This guy's Richie Havens. He said he was really good. I've never listened to it. Jackson Brown. Mick Jagger. Mr. Mister. And a Bee Gees dressed up as knights. Another Jackson Brown. Toto. Men at Work. Another Men at Work. Another John Cougar. Must have every one of them. Another John Cougar. Never heard of these guys, but it's cool looking. Chicago. And this one's just, I must have grabbed it by accident. It's like a bunch of groups on one record. Said I haven't researched any of them, but I'm sure I didn't get hurt buying them for 50 cents a piece.